In this video, I'm going to show you the fundamentals of Uniswap. Uniswap is an excellent platform where you can go ahead and exchange cryptocurrencies. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the official Uniswap website. It should look something like this. Make sure that you do go ahead and use the right website because there's many scams out there and you want to make sure that you are on the legit Uniswap website. Anyways, guys, what you want to do from here is you want to go to the top right and then select on this connect button right over here. And basically what you need to do is you need to connect a wallet to Uniswap so that you're actually able to go ahead and use funds in order to purchase tokens and stuff like that. So we do have a lot of different options over here. However, keep in mind that it does need to work on Ethereum. So for this video, I'm going to be using MetaMask, but you could use something like Phantom Wallet, Coinbase and stuff like that. Or you guys could even get the Uniswap wallet as well, which is honestly really cool. So all these will basically do the same thing. So it doesn't really matter too much. So for this video, I'm just going to be using MetaMask since I already do have it in my browser extension list. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on this. And obviously, if you do have like the MetaMask application or the Phantom Wallet application, you could also use that as well. But basically what you need to do is you need to log into your wallet. So let me do that really quickly. All right, then it's going to say connect with MetaMask, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on connect like so, and then there you go. We were able to successfully do it. It will tell us our wallet address right over here as well. So from the start, we can go ahead and actually start swapping things. So we can go ahead and swap Ethereum for any other tokens and stuff like that. And there's a lot of great tokens that Uniswap does have to offer, which honestly does make it very unique. So you can go ahead and swap like Ethereum for any of these different tokens, which is pretty straightforward. We also do have this option that does say limit over here, where you guys can go ahead and limit the price, and you guys can go ahead and select on when to sell it and when to buy it. And also you guys can go ahead and select the expiry over here as well. So that's honestly pretty useful. We also do have the option that does say send. So if you want to go ahead and send cryptocurrency to like another Uniswap wallet address, then you guys could absolutely do so, or just any other crypto wallet address. Here's where you need to go ahead and do it. And you need to go ahead and select on the asset that you're trying to send and then how much money you're actually sending. Then you need to paste in that individual's wallet address right over here. So that's how you actually do that. And in order to actually buy stuff, you need to go ahead and select on this option that does say buy. And from here, all you want to do is you want to select on a token and select on how much you actually want to purchase. Now, there's actually multiple ways that we can actually go ahead and buy tokens, but that is definitely one good way. And by the way, make sure you do select on this cog icon like so. And over here, you guys can go ahead and adjust the slippage, the deadline, and you guys also do have trade options as well. So currently it is at default, but you guys can go ahead and change it. It really is up to you. And we also do have slippage over here, which we can go ahead and adjust. So you can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. So I'm just going to be selecting on auto like so. But now let's go ahead and find some tokens to actually trade. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select over here where it says explore, and we can go ahead and select on tokens. And over here, it is going to give us a list of all the popular tokens right now. So as you're able to tell, there's a lot of great options over here, and we can use a search bar as well in order to find like tokens and stuff like that. And over here, it'll tell you like the performance of like Uniswap volume over here from the current day, but we can go ahead and look at the week or over here the month as well. So there's a lot of money in volume on Uniswap, and that's because Uniswap is honestly a pretty good platform. A lot of people do use it. And over here, we can go ahead and select on the volume of the token. So we got 1 hour volume, 1 day volume, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. So we can go ahead and use that filter to really go ahead and find like particular wallets with certain qualities and stuff like that. And we also have this widget over here, and you guys could go ahead and select on what network. So let's just say you only want to purchase tokens that run on Ethereum, then you need to go ahead and only select on Ethereum. But for this video, I'm just going to be selecting on all networks. But there's a lot of great networks that you guys can go ahead and work with. So I'm very happy that Uniswap actually does give you a ton of great options. But we also do have this option over here that does say pools. So we can go ahead and take a look at that. And you guys can go ahead and look at the pools of basically like all of these different types of cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. You guys could also go ahead and search it up. You guys could also go ahead and search for pools, and it will tell you the APR, the annualized based on 1 day fees. Over here is the total value log, the 1 day volume, 30-day volume, and 1 day volume divided by the TVL. So there's a lot of great stuff over here. And over here, we do have transactions. So over here, it will basically tell you all of the different transactions that are currently going on Uniswap. You guys can go ahead and basically just analyze this if you want to and stuff like that. So there's honestly a lot of great options over here. And we also do have this filter that we could use in order to change the actual network. So we can use like Ethereum, or we can use like Polygon Polygon, and all these other options as well. And if we go to the top left one more time, we also do have this option that does say pool. And over here, we will get this option that does say view positions, which you can go ahead and press on like so. And you guys could basically view all of these different positions right over here, which is honestly pretty cool. So over here, you could view all your positions and stuff like that. Now, since I just made this account, it's not actually going to show anything up. But whenever you do start making like transactions and stuff like that, then it will appear right over here. So let's just say we wanted to go ahead and purchase some Lido DAO. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on it like so. And over here, we can go ahead and swap it. So like we can swap Ethereum for this coin, or we can go over here to where it says limit. And we also do have the option that does say send and buy, like we've seen earlier as well. So that's honestly really cool. And over here, we do have a list of all the transactions we can go ahead and take a look at, even the wallet addresses as well. So if you wanted to go ahead and track a wallet, then all you need to do is select on their wallet address, and then it will literally open up Etherscan. And from here, you can basically just look at all their transactions and stuff like that. So that's honestly really cool. So in order for this to actually work, you need to make sure that your external wallet, whether that be MetaMask or Phantom Wallet, actually does have Ethereum. And then if it actually does have Ethereum, then you can go ahead and do all these transactions and stuff like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.